Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I am going to make a little tag book. I saw a video by someone and she created this little tag book and I thought it was so cute. I wanted to do it. And I had these shipping tags that way back when everybody started doing tags I bought at Office Max, I think. And they come with the wires. They're glossy on one side and they're all curved. Needless to say, I haven't really used them. So I thought it would be fun to put these into a book. So the tag size that I have is 2 3/8 by 4 3/4, but it doesn't really matter. I mean, the video that I watched actually did it a little bit differently than how I'm doing it. So you're going to want to save 2 at full length for the front and back covers, and then the rest of them you're gonna just, like, I don't know if you noticed, I was comparing to see how much space there was between the bottom of the hole reinforcer and the top of the tag, and I'm just gonna score the inside pages to be just smaller than that, and then I can use that as a closure or whatever. And for the way I'm doing it, you will need an even number of tags. I can't remember how many I did. Let's see. Oh. Let me grab my tag book, which is behind me. Now I scored them. Oh, what did I say? I've covered it up now. But, I used 6 tags total, so I have 8 inside and 2 on the outside. It looks like I scored them all at 3/8 of an inch. So that will just put them just below the hole reinforcers on the outside tags. And then I cut a center piece using a tag. I did the 3/4 twice, so that's 1.5 inches. Scored it in the middle, so I have a center piece. Okay. See, that's me trying to do the math right there. 1 2/4. That's 1.5. By the width of the tag. So this is going to be the center that I'm going to glue all the other pieces to. Okay. And I have a note, start gluing in the middle. So I'm going to take the side of the tag that the fold is not on, and I'm going to glue the little piece to that. Hopefully that will make sense. And I think I got too much glue, but you want to line this up really well. And yeah, I had to use some. Got too much glue. And my tags have a slick side, so that doesn't help matters much. And just after gluing each piece, getting it lined up so that it's straight, I just put these little clips that I got from the dollar store on there. And I let it sit for a little while till I think it's tacky. And then I'm going to do the next one. And I just go back and forth doing either side of the center. So now that little piece that we had cut is in the middle, and I've got tags going on either side with that little fold to attach the next tag to. And I'm just going to keep going like that. I think I do a couple because I've got it so low on the screen. I'm sorry. It's just have it close to me. I'm just looking at everything, and then I'm going to do the next one. So putting glue on that folded piece, and then gluing the back of that tag to it, making sure everything is perfectly straight. Clamping it down for a little bit, just till it gets tacky, and I do that till I've got all 8 inside pages done. So there's 4 on either side of the middle. It probably wouldn't matter if that was in the middle, but OCD type people would want that in the middle. I'm not really OCD, but I kind of want that in the middle. But yeah. I showed more of this than I thought. I just pushed against the table to make sure that it's straight there. Alright, so now we've got the inside built. We're going to put the outside covers, and it works just the same way. We're just going to put some glue on the folded section, on that short section, and then put the outside one on and make sure it's all straight and clamp it down. But you can see it's a little bit longer. And the glue grips fairly quickly, but I just like to make sure it's not going to move on me. Especially when you're doing a stack like this, you don't want things shifting on you, so it's good to just make sure it's dry. Alright, so now it's all built and dry. So we've got our little tag book. Another little mini journal to do some fun things in. I'm going to go ahead and put a little decor on the outside. My plan was just to keep it kind of neutral. I was thinking I would do this all in like blacks and grays and whatnot, but that didn't happen. I've done a couple of pages, which will be future videos, but thought maybe you'd like to see me covering this. I have a little hole punch. It's not quite the same size as the hole reinforcers, but I'm just gonna glue that on. Because one side of this these tags are super slick, I just figured I would glue some other papers on. And since I have them, I'm going to do that. And these are a little bit off-white. They're old book pages, so they're a little yellowing a little bit. And then the inside of a security envelope. Because I save these things and I never use them, so it's time to use them. So I'm just smoothing that down. And I don't know if the glue stick will stay. It's Yoo-hoo. It's been pretty good. How permanent is Yoo-hoo glue? Anybody know? or glue sticks in general. Seems to be working pretty good. Now I just need to trim off the edges or smooth it down and trim off the edges. There we go. I've got an interesting cover. Makes the tag a little bit stronger too. They weren't too flimsy to begin with, but I thought maybe adding some papers to them would stiffen them up a little bit. And I'm going to do the back side. I'm doing it at even a faster speed because it's basically the same thing. So I get a piece of that book text paper, just the borders. Find the hole, punch it, glue it down. Get another piece of that security envelope. I don't know if I threw that all away. I should glue some inside to have some continuity, huh? Maybe I kept the bigger piece. I don't know. And we'll trim it up. And then I've got a couple of pictures at the end so you can see what it looks like. I even have one where I've got some fabric going through it, acting as a closure to hold the thing closed. And I'm sure I'll have some videos showing the pages I create inside. So there we go. Fun little journal. Well, thank you all for watching. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and have a great day.